In this video, I want to share with you a Tradestation 10 tip and trick to make sure you don't get disconnected from the Tradestation platform. This is one way to minimize it. There is no guarantees. There can always be a disconnect for one reason or another, either on Tradestation side or your local internet side, and I recommend a VPS. But this is one thing that you can prevent from being a disconnected during your trading session, especially if you run automated trading systems that run 24 hours a day. You want to be able to go to File, Backup, Restore Tradestation, and look at your backup Tradestation settings. And there are two settings by default in the drop down, monthly and weekly, and those are automatically set for Monday at midnight. Now, what I recommend is that you change them to Saturday, or you uncheck this and manually do it on a regular basis of what suits you based on how many changes you make. So uncheck this so it's not doing automatic backups, or make sure that your backups are done on Saturday. And again, there are multiple setups here. So if you just do the monthly, sometimes when I first did this, I changed the monthly, but did not notice that there was another setting here for weekly. So I changed it to Saturday there as well. So you've got Saturday on the monthly and the weekly, or you can uncheck it and do it manually based on your schedule. So I wanted to share that tip and trick with you in Tradestation 10. If this does a backup, when it does a backup, it goes through a disconnection process. It disconnects you, and then it does the backup. So you don't want to do that during the trading week on Monday night, when some strategies could be automating. And so we automate trading systems from Sunday at 5 until Friday at 4 Central Time, and these are our backup settings in Tradestation 10. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.